How to connect USB drive to Android phone and move photos or videos. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
So what you want to do is swipe upwards and you're going to see all your apps installed. You want to locate your Files application. It's going to be called Files or My Files, Google Files, anything like that. So in my instance, it's the My Files application for Samsung. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to look something like this. Now over here, you want to select whatever sort of file or image that you want to be transferring over. So let's say I wanted to do an image. What I got to do is find the image I want to be transferring. So now all I want to do is I can select one image if I want to, like by long pressing on it, or I can select multiple. So let's say I wanted to select multiple right here. I've just selected 3. Now on the bottom left, I'm going to see move as one of the options. If I want to transfer files, I can press move, or if I want to keep them on my phone, but then also put them on the SD card or external hard drive, I could press copy. But if I just wanted to move it, I just press move on the bottom left. And then right now I'm in my internal storage. I want to go over to the second device, which is USB storage 1. It might show up as a name slightly different for you. And then literally all you got to do is put it in here. And then that's literally it. You'll be good to go. I can press move here on the bottom right, or I can make a new folder within here for my newly transferred files.